Lovely, 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 ladies and gentlemen. This is Meda Jimo, your anchor person on Plan B Business Special Business Combo presentation. And I'm going to be taking you through on how to benefit from the global financial markets. Of course, you need to understand what financial markets are all about. The place where the meeting point for people to drag and interact or negotiate and bid for prices of things, commodities, currencies, and other stuff. Now, sometimes we meant to understand about the financial market to only be a place where people with so much expertise can interact and negotiate or bid for prices of things, the commodities, the stocks, the forex, and newly baited, from 2007, 2009, a newly baited aspect of the financial market, which is still a contention right now, or where it belongs to, being a security, or what's it all about, which is the aspect of cryptocurrency. However, I'm actually a major person. What I mean, I major in the aspect of financial market where I major is the cryptocurrency. So, but I, put into other area of the financial market. So how do I benefit from the global financial market? So you're welcome to Plan B Express, an ecosystem for digital entrepreneurship and blockchain academy. Of course, you want to know more about us and you want to participate and leverage on what we offer in Plan B Express. You may want to go to www.planbexpress.com and to be able to navigate and see what we offer. So I quickly want to go to www.planbexpress.com, planbexpress.com. You can go there. And our office in Nigeria, the headquarters is River State, Port Harcourt, to be precise, which is at number 49. It's Chidima Plaza, number 49, Odaba Road, opposite Mimi Tasty Fish, Odaba Road in close to Rumomasi Runabout, Rumomasi, Port Harcourt, River State, Nigeria. Now, so our office is at the second story. And of course, we have trainings regularly, Wednesday, Thursday for business presentations. And then on a weekly basis, we are always in the office for interactions, consultations, and all of that. So our office at 49 Odaba Road, Chidima Plaza, all right? So Port Harcourt, Nigeria. And of course, you can download our app. You can go to the portal www.planbexpress.com and you download the app to register on our free platform. Okay, because everything now will be brought back to our app, so where you can download and then register for free Plan B, free weekly crypto updates, so you can get information, and then on weekly basis. So this is not okay. You can see the schedule of activities, the cash flow system. And then we normally have Zoom meetings every Sunday, 8:30 p.m. Nigerian local time. And then you can see this is the ID number. You can copy it down. So probably you may want to jump in to our free crypto update. It's free. Then you can be on our cash flow system. Yeah, can be on our cash flow system, both on the WhatsApp, on the Telegram. And then, of course, you want to participate on our training, then you can go into our buy and sell is coming, and how to earn free USDT is going to come up anytime soon. Now, you want to go to our courses, you can see we have the private mentorship, you have the Build With Me Premium. So this costs you yearly, Build With Me costs you yearly, while private mentorship is one-off. And so we have all our training schedule, light portfolio builders, low gems and pump hunt. There were market call and spot traders, right? So all of these are to be paid for. So you want to be on private mentorship, it's going to cost you $5,000. Of course, you're going to have access to so many things that will help you to master the market properly. And of course, the private mentorship, you can be there to just be taking direction on market, what to buy, on our Telegram. So you can see our private mentorship. Yeah, so information we send. If you bought a pen, taking profit may not be idea, okay, because it has done very well, right? So you can see we have the private mentorship, we have a lot of information there, and that's the number one on our platform. So you have different coins that we mentioned when they have pumped, they're giving very wonderful profit for people. They can take their profit. And the whole essence of private mentorship is not just to learn alone. It's not just to make money alone. Okay, Mog Coin, you can see some of those wonderful profits. Okay, people are doing on the private mentorship. Sometime information before coin are being listed or before coin are being brought to the market. We have information ahead. People buy, wait for it, and then so you can see Wojak. So we have done a lot of, so records are shown on private mentorship on how we have really been doing. Okay, then we have the bill with me. So this costs you $5,000 anyway. And so it's one-off, no yearly repayment, but you want to be part of private bill with me premium. It's going to cost you $1,500 yearly. Now you have access to, of course, trading calls and then portfolio building and all of those strategies. But of course, if you want to enjoy the bill with me premium, you perhaps want to have to enroll for basic and intermediate so that you can learn how to navigate. So we have the Crypto Academy. So the Crypto Academy, for proper orientation and skills. So you have the basic, okay? You have the basic cost to $150. You have the intermediate cost to $300. So $150 plus $300, that's be $450 for proper training and how to handle some of those platforms so that you will not be left behind. So then you want to advance more. I will tell people when you want to really enjoy some of those things, you may want to just go to private mentorship, because when you are private mentorship, it covers all the academic training. So that's one of the benefits you enjoy if you are on private mentorship. So there are many things like that. So you want to start from there so that to be able to help yourself navigate and enjoy, the financial market. So let's look at the financial market, as it were. So we said the financial market encompasses the forex market, okay? So the forex market, the stock market, the commodity, right? So if I go to TradingView, for instance, want to look at financial market at a glance. If I click here, for instance, so talked about the stock, talked about the futures. I talked that is derivatives or different pricings of commodities. Then talk about the forex market, talk about the crypto market, and all the like. So, but most popular financial market talked about the stock, the forex, and the crypto. Yeah, the stock, the forex, and the crypto. The other things, the commodity and all of that, you perhaps want to, like, before you go to trading in the bond, public bond or government bonds and all of that, you must have been a corporation or have so much money. So, but the most entry markets that to both retail and institutional investors are predominantly stock market, the forex market, and the crypto market. Now, sometimes people felt that when you talk about the stock market, they thought it's only in fact, some people will tell you about stock market. No, stock market is never a place I can never put money there. It's not working. Stock market has crashed. That's what you think. You will want to go to Nigeria exchange-group.com. That's to look about the stock market and what's happening in the stock market now and the commodity market, as it were, and then the new stock exchange floor, Nigeria stock exchange market, and we want to study more things. There's so many things that are still going on that people do not know. Just like last week, I bought into some stock, and then people felt that, no, nothing's happening in the stock market right now. That's not true. If you go back now here, I go to, and then, okay, I just showed people Transcorp. In fact, even the Transcorp hot, that is the hotels, right? The corporations of the Transcorp itself, Hilton, and then we have the Transcorp, the hotels PLC. That is, now it even moved a very massive move last week, because I see trading stock, right? Both national, both local stocks and international stocks, right? So good news is that, so let's look at Transcorp. So this is a stock market. I'm domesticating, okay? So a lot of people still don't know that you can actually independently trade Nigerian stock by yourself. They felt that you need to have a stockbroker. However, you need direction, information for you to be able to identify, when to buy, what to buy. And then, of course, that's where the expert comes in. But you don't need to carry your assets or your money to wow. So come on, can see. So you can see fantastic thing about this is Transcohort, right? Okay. So now many persons are still like, oh, this market is not a place. And of course, but if you're a trader, I have a lot of tools that I use in managing my trade, and that's why I'm developing what we call full combo or indicator combos. You want to subscribe to that, then you have to pay for it. Some may cost you maybe $2,000, some may cost you $5,000. And then, but if you want to really enjoy it, if you're on private mentorship, you don't pay for the combo because there are so many indicators that can help you manage, and then you just buy and watch when it gets to the appointed time, you take your profits and all of that. So this is Nigerian stock. So who can tell you now that Nigerian stock, you can still be doing massive good profit as it were. Now, and of course, you should know that the movement of stock is not the same as the movement of currencies. So currency are more volatile and fast in making money. Of course, fast in making money and fast in losing money. Now, you want to ask me, Felix, why I diversify into stock, in crypto, in Forex, is the fact that I can complement the whole thing. But my major area of focus, in the industry is actually the crypto, because that's Plan B Express is known for digital entrepreneurship and the blockchain academy. So for us, we dwell more in enlightening, training, sensitizing, and exposing people to fact and figure around the blockchain technology, the cryptocurrency as it were. However, stock market, again, we still come into the blockchain. Write my word down. A time is going to come. So many innovations that you see in the stock market will be drawn and then powered by the blockchain technology. So it's an edge for you to have an understanding about how the blockchain technology works and how the blockchain innovations actually works too. Okay, so the stock market is what it is, and then you can navigate through, and then you can still trade the stock market. Now, before, people have to look for broker, and then now brokerage are more decentralized. Now, I'm working on a company now that want to have a combination of both international and local stocks. The company is called Admirals Market. So I'm going to be enlightening people over time of how this platform actually works. Okay? Of how this platform actually works. So you're going to enjoy it because, so don't bother. So I'm going to show you on how to use all of those platforms and, trade the local stock, trade international stocks, and so many other things that probably you want to leverage on about the stock market. Now, if you're trading a local stock, like I was using an example when I was doing interaction with some persons about the local stock, right? So let's say I look at portfolio. Okay, so I'm just an example. Now, you can look at this account that even after I've sold all the stock, I was remaining some fragment, I discovered that I was still getting paid in some dividend. So imagine, okay, you can see, okay, this one was about 285, 280, okay. All right, so some dividend. This is GTCO, that GTB stock, right? So 168 dividend, 168 Naira, MTN on the April 28th, 200 Naira, GTCO, October 4th, 18 Naira, then May, right? May, 168 Naira. Yeah, this is August for MTN. Yeah, August 2022, 112 Naira, right? This is Boa Cement, 104 Naira. These are dividend, okay? So I'm just showing you some of those things in still, what you do not know is actually your elder brother. So most time people don't pay attention to basic things, learning how the market works. The market is there, but are you updating your knowledge? What you used to know about stock many years back, like when we have the financial crisis in 2008, Is it what is still obtainable now? No, things are changing. People are, companies, corporations, platforms are improving and then developing new strategy on how to take advantage of the market. So the market is beyond what you used to think. So it is not what it was. It has changed to what ought to be. So, I tell friends, if you understand what you are actually doing, you don't need anybody to lie to you and they'll bring jargon to you. Okay, there was a stock I actually wanted to look at to buy into because I saw a narrative around them, not next you. Okay, so I just like him show this other one too. Just a moment. Coming. Just a moment. So please, I'm just sharing this, how to profit from the global financial market. Number one, you need learning. You have to pay attention to learning. Learning is so important, but good thing, learning is more decentralized than before. So learning is more decentralized than before. So it's not the usual way. You are in Lagos, you are in London, you are in different part of the world. For that, where the campus of an academy is, you cannot go there. That's not true. Like Plan B, we run our training online. So, but if you are within River State and Evron, it gives you an upper hand to be in attendance for physical. Like we have a training still going on now, which we are going to start the online academic training June this year, and that may take the whole June for online. So you want to participate on the online, so you can just chat up with me on my phone number +234 803692 and 45. So we'll be running online and at the same time running offline, both in the Forex and the, all right, both in the Forex and the crypto markets. Okay, so both in the Forex and the crypto market. So it's so amazing that people don't get to this. Let me just get all this over. I mean, okay, just a moment, guys. So things are more simplified these days than what you think. No stress. You trade, you make money. All right, so coming on. Here. Okay, so I just tried to show us different platforms, the trading stock, trading crypto, trading Forex. For instance, look at it. What makes it so amazing today? When you learn basic, you not know what to do. You can copy trade. That's one of the funnest things and fantastic things people do not know today. I can copy trade, all right, and make money. That is the power of leverage and the AI system. All right, this is a copy trade, for instance, investment, CDA, Forex, stocks, right? So the three, okay? So you can see some of this trade. If I want to join the trade, to do copy trade, where trading can be going on. You do not need to know much things. And I can join the copy trade. I'm just in an example. So let's say I want to copy, join these guys. Risk level very low. So I'm just showing you all of this, and I can join a trade and continue to get my money. So to predominantly to tell you that you do not need all of those things that people call you, bring your money, will help you to trade. No. You have to desist from those funny schemes. We're going to help you to trade, pay you profit. No, you can trade your, okay? Let me look at these guys, for instance. What? I'd wanted to buy Sterling Bank. Shit, let's look at Sterling. What? Come on. Yeah. So you can see Sterling Bank. Yeah. Wow. Wow. April, so at 1 point something dollars naira, sorry. April, yeah, month of April, on the 18th of April. That's about 20%, if I'm not mistaken. So now I'm just showing you practical thing about, this is a stock market, so you can independently be involved. So what it takes to identify which stock to buy and all that, that's where you need training, right? That's where you need training. You need training, just basic to navigate, and then access to information. So what you pay for in private mentorship in Build With Me is information, so that you can have access to information, what to buy, when to buy, and when to sell. Just like now, some of us bought into, where is it? This guy, Transcorp, right? And you see what Transcorp has done. And why I bought some Transcorp was when I saw information about the Elumelu family buying and bought worth of how many billion, and now overstood to be the largest shareholder in the Transcorp, above $10. Yeah, these are macroeconomy. So we have to, okay, ahead of time, pam. And then we saw a massive pump on Transcorp. Many people wouldn't know why they didn't have that crazy pump as it were. So gambling around the financial market will endanger your fund. So the best you can do to yourself is to help yourself learn basic on how to go around the market and then take advantage of the market, leverage on it by yourself. So then the forex market. So the forex market is a fantastic market that we are doing amazingly well. And why are we doing well? Because we leverage on things too. Yeah, if you want to learn about forex, you want to learn, follow, let me see, AUD card. AUD card is going banana. So you enroll in Plan B Express, get across to us, then we add you up to the next schedule of training so that you can learn basic by yourself on how to trade and make money. And if you do not have all the time, to do it by yourself, to trade by yourself, you can leverage on artificial intelligence, okay? You can leverage on artificial intelligence that will help you, okay? You can leverage on artificial intelligence that will help you, but helping you is not where you give your money to third party, no. Helping you is that you buy into artificial intelligence and have your broker funded, yeah? So when you fund your broker account, you'll be able to come in, connect your broker to the AI, artificial intelligence, and then It begins to trade on your behalf, and then you pay, just like a copy trade, but in this way, yours is just to connect. You don't even need to go into the back end to click on copy and saying you're following that trade. So this is more of hybrid copy trade. Okay. Let me just see if I can have an example of like a trade that is running now. Check. So it's so fantastic. So financial market is more easier than before. But the worst thing is that many of us do not want to learn. That's why we still keep on wasting our resources to funny scheme, right? They take advantage of us unnecessarily. They are not necessary. You are not meant to give your money to the third party. You were supposed to, yeah, let me quickly check something. Can come on here. Financial market is fantastic, but the best you can do for yourself is to be personally involved. When I mean personally involved is that you do not need to be guru, the expert, as some claim to be. Yours is to settle down, get the basics. Okay. Let's come here. It's okay. All right. I need to do something. So yours to get the basics, and that will make money. But I will tell you for free, 80 to 99% of third-party schemes are scam. They're going to rob you of your treasure, take your money from you. Yeah, I know that for sure. That's their way. They promise you heaven on earth. Yeah, that's their way. They tell you how they're the best. They trade from the financial market, but that's not true. Okay? So you got to be careful with these people. They come around. Financial market is an open space right now. It's a decentralized place. So you don't need anybody to cover your face. You just need to open your eye by yourself. Then you can make the best out of the space. I want to see if I can open up some, show you how, like some platform we use, trading Forex. So when I tell people come and benefit in trading FX, people felt that people felt that they have to be expert. No, you do not need to be an expert to trade the FX market. You don't need. Yeah, I can tell you for free. You do not need. All you need is following simple instruction. You leverage and you can be good, but in plan B, we have a culture, the culture of diversification. We diversify a lot, and that's why we can, reduce our exposure to excessive risk, right? So financial market is risky. Yeah, and that's what Ponzi people tell you, that everything is risky. For that, come and waste your money to Ponzi platform. Don't yield to those funny schemes. Okay, I want to come up to this place. Okay, so it's coming up. Okay. Just go here, just to come up. Yeah, I wanted to see to get connected from this device. Okay, so let me just come up, show you if the MT4 can open. I will show you how we connect with. Now, for instance, this is a broker. Okay, this is a broker. Yeah, so I have separate account for the broker. Okay, so this is a separate account, right, of the broker. If I go to the platform that trades on the broker, so not myself. Okay, not myself. All right. So here is nothing, it's just a platform, the interface to connect my AI to my broker. So if we check now, okay, showing that I've done 234, 237 so far. So 237 so far. So see what's going to happen. This account was actually $1,000 before, but it was top up to make it $2,000. That's just telling me, hey, guy, you know, you've done this so far. So what's going to happen to me now? All this one you see is just all this money out because I doing business to interact with people, sharing the opportunity with people, and that's where you're seeing all of these bonuses. But that's now where I'm going. The account is connected to AI. Yeah, the AI is the one trading. And then if you go back, you see that it's trading. And if you go to the right transaction update, right? So let me just go. Okay. So let me say yesterday. I think just want to see. Okay, I have about 3 accounts there. Okay. Is the MT4 that will have been better? Okay, but this just show you this, the statement for these accounts, and then the overall profit, okay, close at $36 maybe for this particular period. Okay. All right. So I just wanted to share with you the MT4, the way the trading has been ongoing. That's all right. Okay. So this is just an account that's trading. I think the network is crazy. Okay, this one has not, this is a rebate from trading, people trading, so rebates. And so, yeah, so this is rebates. So this rebates just like you're getting paid from the trading fee of people within the organization. So maybe just people equity in their account, their respective account. So it's totaling about $42,000 in the account. So as they're trading and they make profit for them, there's a rebate paid to you. So far, I think within 2 days or 3 days now. Yeah, this is showing me that, hey, Felix, within 2 days, 3 days of this rebate, you have $80. So I discovered that on the rebate alone in a month, on my Azo Capital in a month, yeah, today is 24th. So month is not ended yet, but I'm seeing that rebate I'm having is almost about $700. Yeah, it's almost about $700 from rebate alone. So, but that's not where the issue is. The issue is, oh my gosh, I just wish I can come up. Okay, if you come up, I connect now. Good. So let me stop this guy and share with you. Okay, so I'm going to share with you now. Yeah, share. Okay. All right. So you need to come up. Get up, share. Get up, share. Get up, share. So I just want to show you, yeah. Okay, so I just want to show you, right? So this is MT4. Okay, now, so you can see this is MT4. I'm opening the MT4. Okay, so now I think the trade just stopped trading just few yards down. So let's look at what it has made today. This account of $2,000. I want to see what it has done today. It has been a little bit slow this month anyway. In fact, we're having a very big drawdown on the GDI. Yeah, so you get us thinking we probably may have some stop out trading or stop out trade on the GDI this month. Very possible. Okay, so let's go. This is a month report. This is a month report. So today, it has done $16.6. This is $2,000 account. So let's look at the week. A week, it has done about $91. So a week, it has done about $91. Yeah. So now the account, if I think was last week or a week plus now that it was top up to $2,000. If not, it was $1,000 account before. So you cannot really ascertain what was the percentage profit for this month on it. But give and take a look at it all through now. You can say for a month, let it come up. We are seeing $430. That's about $23, if I'm not mistaken. Let it come up. Okay. So it comes up. Okay, $443. So let's say that's about 24% for this month. But because the initial thing that was in the account was $1,000. Initial thing that was in the account was $1,000. I think it's having a connection problem. Okay, so waiting. So let it just come up. If you can share with us again. So now, okay, lost the connection there. So that's to understand the financial market is beyond just the jamboree people are sharing with you. So that's about the stock. All right, I've told you I have different platforms. I trade stock, I'm coming up with this platform, and then our training will start anytime soon, the Admira platform, where you can do both local trade, international trade, that's local stock, international stock, copy trade. Wow, that's fantastic. The Forex, you can do a whole lot of things on it. For me, I'm going to be crazy on the stock, on it, and other stuff I can make out of it. So why not? It's going to be very fantastic. Then the local stock, I have different platform I use in trading local stock. You know, just an example, the wet.ng have been very fantastic for me. Then going to the crypto. My God, let's talk about the crypto. The crypto market had been days with a lot of ups and downs, but you can see that even up and that, we're doing massively well. Okay, I said it. I said this guy was going to dump. So we have done. See, this is ULX. We participated in buying package, but this is what we do not do in Plan B. We don't predominantly depend, right, on the platform. Okay, so let me see. I think this guy is back. Okay. Can we share? So in Plan B, we don't predominantly depend on platforms claiming that buy the package, you know, pay you percentage. We have seen good, the bad, the ugly. Those guys can be very funny, right? They are very funny. And so I would tell people to be careful about them. So the best you can do, however, does not stop you not to take advantage of them. But the best you can do is to buy into the token and leverage and make a lot of money out of it so that you'll be in charge. So in the crypto, we have so many segments around crypto. Like in Plan B, we know that some people love future trading, okay? They want to trade future. Now, but that's not what we advise people at all time. Be careful. The best place anybody who is starting crypto is supposed to start is a spot swing trading. It's a spot swing trading. So spot swing trading is going to help you to buy low and sell high, right? So I make use of OKs, and you can check on my chat box or on the chat box of this training. If you're on Telegram, if you're on the YouTube, you watch it, and then on chat box there's a link for OKs, there's a link for Binance, there's a link for Bybit, and there's a link for Gate.io. I have a reason why I use all of those exchanges. I don't use one exchange because you have to spread your risk, okay? Not keeping my money in one exchange is a strategy to avoid heavy risk on one side. So I make use of OKs, I make use of Bybit, make use of Binance, Gate.io, and CoinW, because CoinW offer assistance and help to people who want to learn more about future trading. So margin trading, now you're going to have Signal and all of that through the CoinW. So I think that's going to help a whole lot of people who want to trade perpetual trading. What? Bitcoin, man, this is low. Oh, Bitcoin, why are you doing me this? I want you to go down. You went to 26,100. When you do jump up, this is good. This is good. I am actually waiting for Bitcoin at $25,700. So it has just confirmed to me that it's gradually getting down there, making sense. We're getting there. Yeah, we're getting there. So it deceived me the other time. It got to 25,799 and didn't catch up with my price. But this time around, I think this guy is going to get there. So the crypto market is, so you can see my markets order for BTC. Yeah, let's look at it here. Deep Sniper, $25,700. Waiting for BTC there. If you go below that, that's good. We'll buy more. But if you didn't, let it just buy for me. The first attempt didn't get there. Maybe this attempt, this time around, it's going to get there. So the crypto market is, right, collided with so many things. So the best you can do to yourself is to, what? Man, this is crazy. It's lovely. So you can see that the BTC had brushed down all the market. So it's very possible that DXY is on the rise. Let me see DXY. Yeah, I said that. Wow, wow, wow. This is a double bottom. When DXY crosses 105, that's a danger. Yes, yeah, man, that's a danger. You know, that's a very strong support for DXY. Oh, man, that's crazy. DXY is danger. If it crosses 105.9, just say 106, that's going to be crazy. But for now, the market should be going down. For now, the market should be going down. Yeah. So let's look for hourly, 4 hours time frame. The XY is crazy, guys. What? Oh my God. This is a big shock on us. You can see DXY, the moment it crosses 106, my gosh, we lost the trend here. So don't listen to crappy things people talked about in the market. You have to follow your mind, then buy into assets, leverage on it, build your portfolio, then you can be cool. So you can see now DXY is on the rise. Oh my gosh. What? We lost the momentum down here. Then we have been, look at a very fantastic trend. DXY is going 105, 106, then big problem. So crypto market is just directly opposite the DXY, that is the US dollar index. And then, so let no one deceive you. As long as this guy going up, then your BTC have to be witnessing the downtrend. Make sense? So those are the things people don't want to pay attention to learning. If you don't learn, you're going to miss. So can you see? So on daily time frame, we don't want to go below. We have a lot of support for BTC here. So 25,200, you don't want to go. So we're still good even when we go to 23,900, then 22,000. I don't care, whatever it goes to, it's none of my business. So whatever it goes to, we're still good. So, but if you go below 25K, that would be too terrible, you know? Yeah. Go below 25K, that's below this line. 25,200, 25,000 or 24,400, that would be so disastrous. And then the market can keep going down. So, but this is, you are not emotional. I will tell people about this Red Sea, we're not crossing, all those why. So you got to wake up and build yourself up so that you'll be able to make money in the crypto space. So what we do, we hunt after low gems, and that's why you can see some coins we bought into, like this guy. I've told people to sell if you want to sell. And then we saw another one that was crazily pumping, but I've told people to sell if they want to sell. My God, okay, not Ben, it was a Ben, yeah, Ben. It was 2 something, that's crazy. Let's look at it. I've told people if they want to sell, they should sell. Ben. So let's look at Ben, B-E-N, crypto. MSC. So this is not magical. Okay, this is not magical. So let's look at Ben, B-E-N. Ben, you're still getting stronger, but I expect you to crash down. So, but for me, I don't think I'm interested in holding because that has been a massive profit. So I expect it to crash down. So if you imagine from this price to where it is now, that's from here, also the 20th of May till here. Even up where it is now, 200 and something percent, 237%. It's not a bad deal. You're okay. So you just get out of it. Simple. Just get out of it. You are good. Even if you want to go up more, no problem, because it's showing that no limit for it. But for me, there's no need. So it makes sense. So that's how we do. That's how we do business and taking advantage of the financial market. So you need wallets, like in the forest, you need the stock broker, right? You need access to like the trading view to be able to be checking technical stuff, and you need access to learning and the right information at the right time. Yeah, and that's what we do in Plan B. We give access to people to get it, well research informations, direction, not a financial advice anyway, and we give you fact on why is that thing that way, so that you don't make it jungle justice. All right. So that's just the thing we do in Plan B. So, ladies and gentlemen, navigating financial market can be very awesome, but you must discipline yourself to be able to get the best out of it. Okay. Yeah, let me see if this guy can just show us this trade. Yes, screen start. All right, makes sense. I think it's coming up. Needed to bring it up. I need to bring it up now. We refuse to share. That would be okay. There we are. There we are, there we are, there we are, there we are. So you can see now, yeah, so it show you for the whole time, for the whole 3 months, what it has made is $769. But take note, what was kept there in the account before was, what was kept in that account before was $1,000 before we made it up to $2,000, okay? Right, I think I can quickly just see when was that kept. Okay, now you can see $700 was added on the 5th of this month. $700 was added on the 5th of this month. That is month of May, right? That didn't make it up to $2,000 anyway. So let's see when it was up to $2,000. Yeah. Okay. Balance $196. Do you have network issue? It's cut off again. So in a nutshell, what was there for 2 months before this month, or like, yeah, on the 5th, 7th, and on the, perhaps on the 14th or thereabout, that $300 was added to make it $2,000. So that's tell you the first 3 months was on $1,000. But let's even call it 3 months, $2,000 giving you $700 and something dollars. So it's almost getting 50%. So let's even call it that way. So if that's the case, so that means in 6 months you can do 100%, possibly. Yeah, you can do 100%, and then your capital is there. Then you can, you have increased your capital, double your capital. Your trading now going to be trading on $4,000 when your capital double. And so that's how to follow up financial market, not just gambling and people telling you some deep lies, and then you're falling victim of their hands. No, financial market is sweet, I can tell you, for free. But are you ready to pay up attention to learning basic things? That's where you start from. So, ladies and gentlemen, my name again is Midas Felajimo, the team leader of Plan B Express. We are situated at Chidima Plaza as Plan B Express, Chidima Plaza, 49 Odaba Road, opposite Mimi Tasty, close to Rumomasi, roundabout Rumomasi, Port Harcourt, River State, Nigeria, Africa. So you want to come there, of course, you can meet us. We're always open Monday to Saturday. And then you want to join our free Zoom meeting every Sunday, Nigerian local time, 8:30 p.m. You can join our forum, then learn more how to build your financial portfolio and be financially free. Then our weekly meeting seminars, Wednesday, talk more crypto related, and then forex related on Thursday. And like today is Wednesday, I'm talking about tomorrow, Thursday, we'll be live and direct in the office at 11 a.m. Why not? Don't miss it. Tomorrow, it's going to be massive. And then we're going to be unveiling some secrets that many people have never heard about before. Then Saturday, we're supposed to be having business meeting, but we have academy running now. Students are taking courses every Saturday. So why not? But of course, we want to join them now. It's late. You may want to join the online that's starting on Monday. Why not? You ask me, you can chat what your friend who sent you this video to ask. But for every other thing you want to take advantage of, like the broker, the platform you need to use for your trading and your exchange platform, you can check on the chat box and take the link below and be part of it. So thank you very much. You have a nice time. My name again is Midas Felajimo, the team lead of Plan B Express. Bye-bye.